Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0xC03F6603 on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the window. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Then select Other Troubleshooters. So scroll down to the absolute bottom and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. The next solution is to repair and reset the Microsoft Store app. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Installed Apps. Wait for a few seconds for the list to load. Now scroll down to Microsoft Store. Since the list is in alphabetical order, you'll find it easily. Click on the three dots associated with it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to Reset and you'll find the option to repair and reset it. The last solution will be to reinstall Microsoft Store. Scroll down to solution number 3. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated PowerShell window. So copy the first command here, paste it and hit enter. After this has worked, copy the second command, paste it and hit enter. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.